Ready to transform a humble block of tofu into something so delicious you want to eat every day? Hiyayakko is one of my go-to tofu dishes, and in this video I'm going to show you my 7 favorite toppings that turn plain old tofu into your new favorite side dish. I'm going to start by placing some kitchen paper over a plate, and then we're going to take a 150 grams block of tofu and place it in the center. The kind of tofu you use depends on your preference, but I tend to go for silken tofu due to its soft and satisfying texture. Now wrap that up and leave it for 5-10 minutes just to absorb some of the excess moisture. When you unwrap it, you might find that the kitchen paper leaves a wrinkly pattern on the surface, but if you want to prevent that, you can simply place it on top of the kitchen paper rather than wrapping it completely. Next, we're starting with a first topping combo, and one I like to call the classic trio. For this one, you will need 1 tablespoon of bonito flakes, 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Finish it off with a generous dash of soy sauce, and it's as simple as that. This is like the textbook version of Hiyayakko, so if you're trying this dish for the first time, I really recommend it. The ginger and soy sauce combo is so refreshing, and the bonito flakes add the smoky umami that takes it to another level. Next, for number 2, we're moving on to a version of Hiyayakko I like to call Tanuki Crunch. So again, we're going to flip our rested silken tofu onto a plate, then top it with 1 tablespoon of tempura flakes we call tenkasu, 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion, 1 teaspoon of bonito flakes, and this time I'm drizzling it with tsuyu sauce, which is usually used with noodles. This one is perfect if you like me and enjoy the contrasting crunch with the soft tofu. For topping number 3, we're making a spicy Chinese inspired Hiyayakko, so this time while my tofu is resting, I'm gonna mix up a sauce. Start with half tablespoon of chili bean sauce called tobanjan, half tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of toasted white sesame seeds, and half a teaspoon of honey. This is the amount I use for 1 portion, but I could probably stretch to 2 portions. You could even store leftovers in the fridge, it will keep for a few days. Pour that mixed sauce over your tofu, top with about 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions, some shredded kizami nori, and if you want to decorate it further, a few chili threads. This one is perfect for those who love spicy and nutty flavors, it's so good. And number 4, we have one that you're gonna either love or hate, it's natto. While your tofu is resting, mix your natto vigorously at least 50 times, ideally 150 times. This basically whisks air into the film that coats the beans, making it fluffy and light. It also helps release umami, so the more you mix, the better the taste and mouthfeel. Once they're good and sticky, add the packaged sauces. This is often caramelized mustard, sweet dashes soy sauce, or something like that. Once it's all mixed in, spoon the natto over the tofu and top it with chopped green onions. This one is really filling, packed with protein and good for your gut health, so if you're looking for something more substantial than the other toppings, this one is really great. For number 5, I made a crispy onion version. This one was inspired by the Tanuki Crunch for people that might not be able to get tempura flakes. So grab your rested tofu, top it with soy sauce or tsuyu sauce to taste, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of those store-bought crispy fried onions and top it with some chopped green onions. The contrast between the crispy onion bits and the fresh green onion is seriously good. This one is great for onion fans and crunch lovers. Next, at number 6, we're making a super easy but flavor-packed Korean inspired Hiyayakko. All you need is about 3 tablespoons of your favorite kimchi and 1 tablespoon of Korean seaweed. That's it. This one is perfect for people who love kimchi or Korean food, and is such a great no-fuss option for when you're feeling snacky. And finally, at number 7, we have creamy and nose-tingling avocado wasabi. For each tofu block, you will need half an avocado, so scrape that into a bowl and mash it with fork. Once it's more or less smooth, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon of wasabi paste depending on how much you want the wasabi to come through. Mix it until it's all incorporated, then spoon it over the tofu. I like to add a sprinkle of toasted white sesame seeds and some shredded nori for a finishing touch, but they're optional. This one is a bit of a modern twist, but it is such a great combo and really good for breakfast. And that concludes my roundup of 7 delicious Hiyayakko toppings that transform a boring block of tofu into something you will really crave. Which one was your favorite? Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe plus 8 more toppings is on the screen for you now. And if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my quick and easy playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.